Great weather here, and of course we always watch the tropics this time of year.
Yeah, and John, you're pretty busy watching it.
Especially when you've got a named storm in the position that sometimes comes in this direction. This one is not. And that's very good news. Take a look at Tropical Storm Nadine, which continues to get more and more organized, almost a hurricane, 70-mile-an-hour winds, and in this position sometimes can be a problem for us. But Nadine's going to get pushed straight north. Look at the computer models. They're going up and then off to the north and east, away from the U.S. coastline. In fact, this is even going to miss Bermuda over here. This is going to be no problem at all. We will watch Nadine, let her become a major hurricane. Whatever she wants to do, she'll be a fish storm. So for us, we're watching an onshore flow, perhaps of some clouds, more clouds over the western portion of Georgia. Some of these clouds, though, are being blown in with some pretty strong winds. Look at some of these wind maximums for today, including 23 miles an hour in Savannah, even 20s farther in. Well, that gave us, though, a very pretty picture at Foley Beach with the surf coming in. See the boat off in the distance, the higher surf being pushed by those onshore winds. If you've got a weather pick, it's pics at WTOC.com. Send along your name, too. Maybe it was your iPhone you take the camera with or take the picture with. Here's the app for tomorrow. With clouds early, then mostly sunny skies, then clouds might build again. The reason is we think there might be a coastal shower at 66 degrees at 7 o'clock, but by lunchtime we should be in pretty good shape. The threat of more showers would develop later in the day. Here you go, Thursday, tomorrow, 2 o'clock. Look at the stream of moisture that's across our southern counties. That would fire up a couple of showers. That moves inland. Then by Friday, about the noon hour, we've got another little round of showers, but that moves off. That doesn't look to be a problem, and then drier air starts to move in for the weekend. I think Saturday will probably be the better of the 2 weekend days. High pressure exiting to the north and east. It's that onshore flow that we're watching. Here comes the next front. It will likely stay north of us. I don't think that's going to bring us the next chance of rain. I think what comes onshore will be our next chance of showers and maybe even some thunderstorms. Next tide will be low at 12:23 in the morning, 6:23 our next high tide, 7:07. You're likely to see a pretty sunrise with some of those coastal clouds in place. For mariners, moderate risk of rip currents for tomorrow. Look at the beach water temperature, 80 degrees. East winds at 15 to 25 knots for tomorrow. Seas at 5 to 7 feet, diminishing to 3 to 4 feet by the time we get to Friday. UV index would be very high. First alert, Doppler Max 11 forecast for tonight. I've put the coastal showers in the forecast, just a 20% chance, and it looks like after 3 a.m., 66 should be the overnight low with a northeasterly breeze. Then for tomorrow, expect the chance of late day showers and thunderstorms. We'll say a 30% chance, 84, 85 on Friday, showers mainly early in the day. Saturday, the better of the 2 weekend days at 85. Sunday has a chance of showers and thunderstorms, better chance Monday, Tuesday. We'll watch how that develops. Notice no hot weather, no 90s, and no real cold weather either. Temperatures in the 60s for overnight lows. And for the weekend, lots going on, including the big 5K race at 8 a.m. at Orleans Square. The Bluffton Block Party is coming up on in that area at noon on Saturday. Weather should be fine for that, and the Lieutenant Tan weekend as well. Whatever you got planned, follow us on Twitter. We'll have your weather for you at Big John Weather.
Thanks, John.
You're welcome.
Well, quite a